a leading international technology group in the areas of specialty glass and glass ceramics. The company has more than 130 years of outstanding development, materials and technology expertise and offers a broad portfolio of high-quality products and intelligent solutions. On November 28, 2019, SCHOTT AG inaugurated its new glass tank facility in Jambusar, Gujarat. This was followed by an investment of 21 million euros last year to increase its capacity by an additional 50% owing to the rising demand in India as well as globally. SCHOTT's India plant functions as a production hub for SCHOTT pharmaceutical tubing in Asia and produces the branded Flolax pharmaceutical tubing. Flolax glass exists since 1911 and provides an unprecedented quality standard in the country.
It's a very much contribution to development of Indian economy, as the pharmaceutical industry is a very important one for India, especially on the export sector. And as it's going into the export sector, it's quite clear that the tubing and all the packing material have to be certified material. And this trend we are following by our high quality and maintaining the certificates to be ready for all international markets. You see there are multiple initiatives by the Indian government to boost the economy, and in the ease of business, I think just recently India have got 14 steps ahead in the comparison of the nations, which is a very, very strong move. So we see that the Indian economy is driven by reforms and by the actual development. For sure, it also will be a little bit affected by the global economic situation, but I think the outlook for the Indian economy is still a very bright one.
The company forecasts a rapid growth trend for high-quality glass material in the pharma industry and has thus committed additional investments of 26 million euros for yet another tank facility in 2020.
I think we are following the general market trend that we see a strong growth in the pharmaceutical market, especially in Asia. And here there are two countries which are actually growing very fast, that's India and China. So in India we saw growth rates of 4, 5, 6% in the recent years, but just recently from 17 to 18 we saw a big jump of almost 30% in demand for high quality pharma tubing. And this was the reason why early in 2018 we decided to expand capacity here in India in two phases. First step will be 50% increase in capacity. The tank is already running since October this year, and the next step will be add another 50%, so we will double the capacity by summer of 2020 here in India. I think we will support, as we did in the past, the pharmaceutical industry here, our customers, and with the rising demand and with our extended capacity, we will be able to serve the demand of the customers in the pharma industry and thus enhance both the local demand, but there's also a big trend in using India as a hub for export. So we will also support the Indian export pharma companies to export their drugs.
They have been present in the pharmaceutical packaging space of India since 1998, and since the last 20 years, the Germans have been committed towards the growing demand of quality pharma packaging material in the country. News Desk.